Super exciting news! I got a silhouette cameo as an early holiday gift, which means I no longer have to cut stickers out by hand to sell them on my Etsy store. So today we're gonna go through how to make some kiss cut stickers using a silhouette machine, and this is gonna go through a little bit of Silhouette Studio as well as using the silhouette mat and kind of just a little bit of trial and error on how to finally get some kiss cut sticker sheets. I hope you enjoy! Alrighty, so we're starting with Silhouette Studio, assuming that we already have some art completed in a different program. I personally use Photoshop, and then I exported these images as separate PNGs to import into the Silhouette program. As I'm importing my images, I'm kind of laying them where they might end up for a sticker sheet. I'm designing the entire sticker sheet within Silhouette Studio. And the reason that I'm doing this is because when I create the sticker sheet in Photoshop and then print it from there, it has great quality, but then the silhouette doesn't understand where to cut, even if I make silhouettes, as in, the whole thing blacked out and telling you where to cut the lines. It just doesn't match up with the Silhouette program. So instead, I'm gonna make the entire sticker sheet in Silhouette Studio, export it as a PDF, and then print the PDF for higher quality. I can technically print from Silhouette Studio, the program, as well, but I just haven't been able to alter the sticker print settings to make it high quality in that way. And so exporting as a PDF still gives me the ability to print in higher quality. Another reason you should make your sticker sheets within Silhouette Studio, or at least bring them into the Silhouette Studio before you print them, is so that you can print the registration marks on the corners of the page. This is going to help your Silhouette machine line up your thing correctly and then cut the sticker sheets right when you finally get to that step. Don't waste sticker paper like I did. I'm using the offset tool to determine where the silhouette is going to cut out each individual sticker. And then I'm using different colors for the kiss cut lines compared to the full lines of the rectangles of the two different sticker sheets. The awesome thing about kiss cut sticker sheets is that you can peel off stickers while the backing stays fully intact. This does require some different technical setups for the blade depth and power, so if you need a more technical in-depth video on Silhouette Studio, I've linked to a bunch below. They helped me a lot. After exporting from Silhouette Studio as a PDF, I printed to my Canon printer. I set the settings to high quality photo matte paper, even though it's really sticker paper, and they look beautiful. It's finally time to use the silhouette. Here I am, I'm taking the silhouette cutting mat, taking off the protective sheet, and lining up our sticker sheet as close as I can according to the guidelines on the mat. I'm going to press those down, make sure that it's, properly stuck on. And now I'm loading the cutting mat with the sticker sheet into the silhouette. This is a very much not ideal setup. The silhouette needs a longer table because this is not going to be stable, but I was moving in 2 days. When you load your silhouette machine with the cutting mat, make sure your rollers are pulling the sheet in evenly on both sides and that you have a long enough table for this cutting mat to go back and forth and that you don't have to hold it up like I'm doing here. I don't know why. This is just not good. But I'm in a new apartment now. It's gonna have a longer table and it will be more stable. And with that, the stickers are complete. I've peeled them off of the cutting mat and they are ready to go. And now I'm using it in my planner. I'm really happy that this is going to save me some time, save my hands some effort as I do sell my stickers on Etsy. If you liked this sticker sheet, you can buy it on my Etsy, and I hope that you learned something about the silhouette and making stickers. I think it's really fun to see your art come to life and you can actually hold it in your hand. And yeah, I love new projects. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing how some kiss cut stickers are sometimes made. I like to learn new things and share them with you. Please check me out on my Twitch channel where you can catch me live and hang out and be friends with me every Tuesday, Thursday.
I try not to swear. This is a family-friendly channel.
And I will see you in the new place very soon.